Alright, here's how to put a beach cruiser together in less than 2 minutes. First, you got to get it out of the box. Once you got the box open, you got to get the bike out of its packing. They put all this stuff all over the bike so it doesn't get scratched. So next we've got to get our seat post and slide it in, and then we can crank it down with our Allen wrench. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our wheel and we're going to set it on the front fork. But you're going to notice the fork is backwards here. I can still go ahead and put it on there because we can flip it around later. So we got it on there. Next thing we're going to do is put our foot pegs. So we're going to do the left one first, and each one is labeled left and right. So you can't really screw that up. You got to twist them on from the bottom part. And once you got those on, then I got to socket and kind of tighten the seat. And then we put our handlebar in, and then you got to adjust it with your Allen wrench, adjust the other one. And then I notice, what's going on here? Let's take a look at that. Oh, we got to switch that around, don't we? Put that on backwards. Okay, we fixed it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and tighten the wheels. Make sure that they're on there good. Using the ratchet. Got those done. Now we can put our reflectors. We got one in the back, which is red. It requires sticking it around the bike post and then just tightening 2 screws. And then we got one for the front, which has a long bolt that goes through that fork, and then you just kind of tighten it down. You got to hold it with a wrench and use a Phillips head. And then last but not least, we just got to pump the tires up to about 40 pounds per square inch, front and back. And that's it. Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Peace.